Yep, that's me. Talking, and you can't hear me. Thought my microphones were linked up and everything was good. Come to find out, it was not. So, the unboxing video is not so much as an unboxing video anymore. So, sorry about that. Bear with me. All right, y'all. Got my gimbal and my DJI microphones. They both work phenomenal. I just made a whole unboxing video with no sound. Well, it's already unboxed now, so here we are. Primeweld coming clutch, y'all. They sent us some banners, and they sent us the 325X machine. We had the 225. I comment in their groups all the time. I'm always seeing what's going on with it, checking up with all their products. And everything is just always great and stuff. And I post progress pictures of this in there too, you know, so people can see what all you can do. Primeweld decided, said, hey man, let us help you get into a little bit bigger machine. That way you keep trucking. It's a workhorse. I'm like, all right, you know, cool. And sure enough, they pulled through. We have a 325X, and it is nice. Okay, I did an unboxing, obviously. It's already unboxed. Had no sound, sorry. It's got your power cables, foot pedal, comes with a finger switch for your torch, regulator, all that stuff. Now you choose a torch that you want whenever you buy it. I don't have a torch with this one because I will use the torch from this one, okay? Temporarily until I can save up for the water cooler for this deal. So this will be water cooled and have a water cooled torch, and the air cooled torch will stay on 225. We take that, we're gonna put it in the trailer. That way race weekends or anything like that, we can do repairs and stuff like that. Also, I kind of did a tricky thumbnail on y'all, and I didn't really give a good explanation. Of what I had. So, as y'all saw in the last video, we got some shocks. Menscer Motorsports. Great stuff. Great people, great stuff. I'm gonna set the phone in this holder here, and I'll show you, and I'll try and talk a little bit about it. See, look at this. Comes with a finger. Put it on the right hand. Number one. You know the deal. Here they are. In the flesh. I don't know if you can see the MenscerMotorsports.com. Check them out. You can see these. This is their own series. I forget what it's called though. But go on the website, you can see them all. And so this is a canister shock. So it has insane control. And I'm excited. I was very fortunate. Much like Primeweld, Mark saw what we had going on. I actually talked to him through another form of social media. And he was so helpful. You know, I already had Mencer's. Front and rear. I didn't have these. And he said, look, man, the caliber of build that you have going on and stuff like that, he says, we would highly recommend go ahead and upgrade in the rears and stuff. I said, well, okay, I understand. You know, I'm just trying to work within my means. He's like, look, you're killing it. Y'all are doing hard work. We love the hustle, but let us do some rear shocks. So I sent him my shocks, and he converted what I had to canister. Now, y'all understand how important it is to have somebody like that help you out with knowledge and everything else. When I'm a nobody in this aspect, I'm not a street outlaw or none of that jazz. I'm just a normal guy trying to work really hard and have a really nice competitive hot rod. And real recognizes real. I'll tell you all that all the time. Real recognizes real. Mark is as real as he gets. I appreciate him. I appreciate everybody over there. This is awesome, and this is badass. I mean, it's going to be hidden under the truck, unfortunately. The only thing I'm going to ask him, because I don't know any better, is Can I mount them either way? Maybe not. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. So that's these. Y'all saw the welding machine. Saw the welding machine. Very excited, y'all. If y'all have a few spare moments, go to primeweld.com. Check out everything they have to offer, from TIG machines, 220 amp to 320 amp TIG machines, all kind of torches. CK Industries, good stuff. You can get consumables there, fabrication tables, plasma cutters, MIG welders, you name it, and it is affordable. And I promise you, there is nobody to keep up with this customer service and warranty. And I'm not just saying that. I've been saying that from day one, and I bought this machine outright not knowing any of them guys. So I'm telling you from experience, A1. I will use them until I just can't see well enough to weld anymore. So check out Primeweld. Go to Menscer Motorsports. Check them out. See what they have to offer. They might be able to help put you onto a little better path on your program. You know, these guys are extremely helpful. Don't be scared to talk to them. You know, so I'm gonna end this off here. We got to get all this cleaned up. I need to get this loaded up on the welding cart, get the torch swapped and all that stuff, and we're gonna get back to work. We're working on the rear drive shaft enclosure area, and we're gonna get back on that. But I just kind of want to drop a video, do a little unboxing, even though y'all didn't get to see me unbox it because all that footage I took, we had no sound. Hopefully this one has sound. So anyway, sorry you missed the unbox, but here we are. That's the materials that it come with right there. Got the shocks. If y'all have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them and help you out. And I also put a link to Primeweld and Menscer Motorsports in the description down below. And y'all please share this. Let's grow this. Everybody that's watching loves it. Let's keep trucking. Let's keep getting some work done. So let me get off here and get this welding machine set up.